Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn about how to resolve a prism. So the act of taking a prism with an oblique base orientation and expressing it as a two prism with perpendicular bases are known as a resolving prism, or a resolving prism is the process of splitting an oblique prism into two perpendicular halves. So what are the steps of resolving a prism? Suppose we have an example 6.40 prism diopter base towards 141 degrees. So step 1 is draw a circle and divide the circle into two 4 equal quadrants vertically and horizontally. Mention the nose direction and specify the axis of circle. Remember, axis always run anti-clockwise and will be similar for both right and left eye. We're gonna draw a circle and we're gonna divide it into 4 equal halves. Suppose if this problem is for right eye, so this side will be your nose direction. And now we're gonna specify the axis. Always run anti-clockwise, so this side will be 0, 90 degree, 180 and 270 degree. So step 2 is draw a prism in vector form where the length of the vector will be equal to the prism power and the base orientation will be drawn. As we have example which is given 6.40 prism diopter base towards 141. So we're gonna draw it here. So this side will be equal to 6.4. So step 3 is draw a right eye triangle and calculate the angle theta for right eye triangle. So now we're gonna draw a right eye triangle. So and we're gonna calculate this angle. As we know, this angle is 141 degree far away from 0. So theta will be equal to 180 minus 141, which will be equal to 39 degrees. This angle is equal to 39 degrees. So step 4 is adjacent and opposite side of triangle will be calculated using cos and sine formula. As it is a right eye triangle, so sine theta will be equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, or you can write it as perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 39 will be equal to opposite side, which we need to find, divided by 6.4, which we know hypotenuse is 6.4, or perpendicular by 6.4. Opposite will be equal to, after calculating, it will come as 4 prism diopter. As this side is opposite for us, as it is going towards the 90 degree, so we're gonna write it as base up. The next we're gonna calculate cos theta, which will be equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, or base by hypotenuse. Cos 39 will be equal to sin divided by 6.4, which will be equal to 5 prism diopter. So as this is going towards the 180, so we're gonna write it as base out. So last step is write power in a prescription form. So we're gonna write it as horizontal prism is equal to 5 prism base out, and vertical prism is equal to 4 prism base up. So thank you everyone. I hope you like the video. If you have any query, put your queries in a comment section. I'll be happy to reply them.